Canada anemones, also known as Anemone canadensis, are beautiful wildflowers native to North America. They are known for their delicate, white, or pink flowers that bloom in late spring and early summer. Planting. When planting Canada anemones, it is important to choose a location that receives partial to full shade. These wildflowers prefer moist, well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. Plant the bulbs in the fall, at a depth of about 4 to 6 inches, with the pointy side facing up. Space the bulbs 8 to 12 inches apart. Watering. Canada anemones require consistent moisture in the soil to thrive. Water the bulbs regularly, keeping the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. You should also mulch around the bulbs to help retain moisture in the soil and suppress weeds. Fertilizing. In the spring, fertilize the anemones with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer. This will provide the necessary nutrients for healthy growth and blooming. Avoid fertilizing too late in the season, as this can encourage new growth that may not have time to harden off before the first frost. Pests and diseases. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases, such as slugs, aphids, and fungal infections. Slugs can be controlled by placing slug bait or copper strips around the base of the plant. Aphids can be controlled by hosing them off with a strong jet of water or by using insecticidal soap. Fungal infections can be controlled by applying a fungicide according to the manufacturer's instructions. Winter care. In the fall, after the first frost, cut the foliage down to the ground and mulch the area to protect the bulbs over the winter. The mulch will help to insulate the soil and keep it from freezing. In the spring, remove the mulch and enjoy the new growth of your Canada anemones.